Hello and welcome back to the Cyber Hero. Today in this video we are going to discuss here secure email communication. So secure email communication is inherently insecure, making it essential to implement secure methods. Mainly using two methods here, PGP, MIME. PGP stands for Pretty Good Privacy and MIME, Secure Multipurpose Internet Mail Extensions. Enhance email security by employing encryption, digital signatures. These technologies ensure confidentiality, integrity, authenticity of a message. These protect them from unauthorized access and alterations. So let's say there's some risks in the email communication. The first risk is eavesdropping. Emails can be intercepted during transmission, allow unauthorized access to content. The second risk is spoofing. Attackers can forge sender identities, making email appear legitimate. Third one is modification, where message can be altered in transit, leading to misinformation. Fourth one is phishing, the most common attack. Fifth one is malware. Attachments can contain viruses or malicious software that infect system. So now we are going to see here secure email goals. What are the main goals to make secure emails? First one is confidentiality. Second is integrity, authentication, non-repudiation. Confidentiality refers to the guarantee that only the intended recipient can read the message. Integrity ensures that the message contents remain unchanged during transit. Same for authentication, where confirms the identity of a sender, preventing impersonation. Fourth one, the last goal is non-repudiation, provides proof that sender cannot deny sending the message, adding accountability. Now let's see this PGP, Pretty Good Privacy. What is PGP? An encryption system for secure email and verification. Make it simple, working process in one line involves generating a session key and encrypting the message. It's it. Web trust allow users to validate keys without central authorities. If you want a dedicated video on this, please let me know in comment sections. I will go through for that. Now, understanding SMIME security. What is SMIME? An email security standards that use certificates from certificate authorities to provide encryption and digital certificates. How it works? User acquires a certificate, messages are encrypted and signed for secure communication. What are the main features? Offer centralized trust, high scalability, widely adopted for enhanced communication security. Now, what is the difference between when we compare these two models, PGP and SIMM? What we see here, trust models. PGP employs a decentralized web of trust, while SIMM relies on centralized scalability. SMIME can be scalable, efficient for larger organization, where PGP is for personal use. PGP requires, now we will see the key distribution. PGP requires manual management of keys, while SMIME automates the distribution process through CA provided certificates. Both use cases, PGP is ideal for personal users, while SMIME fits corporate environment, needs formal security protocol. Now, email signatures and encryption. Moving towards this, signing, encryption, MIME types. For signing, it involves hashing the message and encrypts it when the sender private key. As we know that there are two keys for encryption purpose. First one is private and public key. It's type of asymmetric encryption. So that is what it is using here. Signing, it involves hashing the message encrypting with the sender's private key. Providing the authenticity ensures the integrity of the message. Encryption implies symmetric encryption for confidentiality with the symmetric key itself encrypted, using asymmetric method for secure delivery. MIME type support secure attachment format include PDF, words, documents, zip, so on, so right side. Now, moving to the next slide, where we will see the limitations of PGP and SIMM. First thing of complexity of PGP may be complex for non-technical users, creating barriers to effective implementation. And SIM is cost effective. It's costly than PGP, requires usage of paid or issued certificate. Security risks for both systems rely on secure storage of private keys. If keys are lost or compromised, the security system of will is significant. So this was all about this video, where we say the email security and some methods popular PGP and SIM. If you learn something new, please hit that subscribe button and share the video with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye. See you.